The village of Raipur is situated about 4 miles to the southwest of Shantiniketan. The Sinha family of this village had very close relation with the Tagore family. Brahmo philosophy united the two families. The lineage of Sinha family comes from the village of Sinhapur in Murshidabad district. Lala Chand Sinha came to Raipur for the purpose of business and also to protect his family from the invaders popularly known as Borgi. Around 1841, Ananda Chandra Goswami was the Zamindar of Shupur village. He gave lands to Lala Chand to settle and conduct business. Sham Kishore was the son of Lala Chand who started to do business with John Cheap, a British officer who founded the place Cheap Kuthi. Then came Bhuban Mohan Sinha, who founded the places of Bhubondanga, Shambati and Debendraganj. Bhuban Mohan did not take any tax from his subjects for the purpose of religious institutions. Mahorshi Debendranath Tagore paid yearly tax of 5 rupees for 20 bigha land including the Chhatim Tala. Later, in 1912, Rabindranath Tagore paid 7,000 rupees to Narendra Prasanna Sinha and bought the Kutir Badi in Shurul. In order to know about the contribution of this family in Birbhum, it is very important to discuss about Lord Satyendra Prasanna Sinha. A resident of Zamindar family of Raipur was born in 1863. Initially, he was educated in the village local school. At the age of 14, he passed the entrance examination from Birbhum Jilla School. He was the 18th child in the family and was a close friend of Rabindranath Tagore. Lord Sinha later studied law and became one of the first barristers in the country. In 1808, he was elected the Advocate General. A year later, he became a law member in the Executive Council. He was the first person to resign from the Executive Council of India. World War, Lord S.P. Sinha was selected to be a member of War Council in London. As a representative of India, he participated in the peace conference after the war. He was granted the title of Lord after the conference. In 1915, he got the title of Knight and also became chairman of Indian National Congress. Later, he became governor in the provinces of Bihar and Orissa. The building Singho Sadan in Vishwabharati was donated by this family. Lord Sinha founded the High School of Raipur in 1902 and also made numerous donations across the state. The ancestral home of the Sinha family in Raipur is in ruins. No one stays here and family members are scattered. The local club named as Raipur Jubo Sangho takes care of the maintenance of this building. Despite being a popular tourist destination, they take no charge for educational purpose. A popular spot for photo shoots, this building is a standing symbol for the glorious Sinha family and their innumerable contributions to the country.